If you think every BMW is unreliable and expensive to maintain, this video will change your mind. Because today, we're ranking the 20 most reliable BMWs you can buy in 2026, backed by real owner data, technician experience, and proven long-term durability. Some of these cars run for 300,000 miles, some have bulletproof engines, and some are shockingly cheap to maintain. Let's get right into it. 20. BMW 328i F30. The early N20 had timing chain issues, but from 2015 onward, BMW fixed the problem. These later models deliver excellent fuel economy, strong torque, and real-world reliability, easily reaching 200,000 miles with simple maintenance. 19. BMW 525i E39. The E39 is considered one of BMW's best-built sedans ever. The M52 engine is durable, simple, and easy to repair. Owners regularly report quarter-million-mile examples still running smoothly. 18. BMW X3 F25. The N55 is one of BMW's most dependable turbo engines. This X3 offers power, utility, and long-term stability, with far fewer issues than the previous generation. 17. BMW 330ci E46. The M54 is legendary for lasting forever with minimal trouble. Cooling system parts wear out, but once refreshed, the engine is practically unkillable. 16. BMW 530i E60. The N52 is one of BMW's most reliable modern straight-six engines. No turbos, no high-pressure fuel pumps. These cars often surpass 250,000 miles. 15. BMW 135i E82. Think of it as a baby M car with the bulletproof N55. Strong internals, great power, and fewer headaches than the infamous N54 powered models. 14. BMW X535i F15. When BMW introduced the B58, reliability drastically improved. The F15 X5 with this engine is powerful, smooth, and known for extremely low major failure rates. 13. BMW 328i E90. This is one of the most durable modern BMWs ever sold. No turbo means fewer failure points. Many owners push them well over 300,000 miles. 12. BMW 540i G30. The luxury sedan with Toyota-like reliability. The B58 engine has proven itself nearly indestructible. Smooth, powerful, and dependable long-term. 11. BMW X1 E84. Surprisingly reliable and cheap to maintain. The N52 versions are especially durable and simple. 10. BMW Z4 E89. One of the most reliable BMW sports cars. Both engine options hold up extremely well with proper maintenance. 9. BMW 320i F30. Detuned Turbo 4 equals less stress and greater reliability. A fantastic option for a budget-friendly, dependable BMW. 8. BMW M240i F22. The B58 turns this small coupe into a near-perfect daily driver. High-performance reliability at its finest. 7. BMW 528i F10. The last year, BMW sold the ultra-reliable N52 in a larger chassis. A unicorn combination of comfort, simplicity, and longevity. 6. BMW 335i E92. If you want performance without N54 headaches, the N55 335i is the answer. It's powerful, tunable, and way more reliable. 5. BMW X3 M40i. Modern BMW reliability doesn't get better. The M40i version consistently ranks at the top of owner satisfaction and long-term dependability. 4. BMW 530i G30. BMW's four-cylinder engines improved massively in recent years, and the B48 is exceptionally reliable. Smooth, efficient, and extremely low failure rates. 3. BMW 330i G20. One of the safest modern BMWs to buy in 2026. Minimal major problems, great performance, and excellent real-world ownership results. 2. BMW 540i E39. With proper cooling system upgrades, the M62 TU becomes a long-term beast. The E39 chassis is built like a tank. Many call it the last over-engineered BMW. 1. BMW 340i F30. This is the most reliable BMW of the modern era. The B58 is practically bomb-proof, and real owners report 250,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. The perfect blend of power, refinement, and long-term durability. Which BMW from this list would you trust as a daily driver in 2026? Leave your pick in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reliability guides and smart buy car rankings.